Fire it up. Well, here we go again. Another Ford. After some fuel contamination, throttle body issues, now we have a broken valve spring. We're going to try and change it without pulling the head off. So what we have here is a cylinder pressure differential tester or a cylinder leakage tester. Generally, the idea is to put shop air pressure into the cylinder to see if you have leakage by the rings or by the valves. What we're going to do is use this hopefully to put enough air pressure into the cylinder to allow the valve to stay closed while we take the spring off. Alright, adding shop air. All the pressure. That on there. Okay, slowly up. Oh, no, go back down. One more. Slowly up. This right here is one of them, if you know, you know kind of situations. And if you don't know, well, you might figure it out. Well, it's just time to give this an oil change, and we can send it out the door.